Hey y'all, I started sanding on this and I normally start with 1,000, and on this side that 1,000 grit just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, so I went back to 800 and that seemed to do it. And then I already did 1,000. I'm on 1,200 now. So I figured I'd show you a little bit of this and then I'll show you how I do the sides. Probably going to be in a different video, but let's get some of this done here. I don't know if I've ever told you guys, if you hear that weird buzzing in the background, just about every video, that's my freezer. A little deep freeze that I paid $50 for 30 years ago. And I believe she might be on her last leg now, I'm not sure. That buzzing doesn't stop very often. It usually runs all the time, so I'm sure it's giving out on me. But it's still working, so I'm going to let her crank. I apologize for the buzzing, but not much I can do about it. I've been trying to sop the water up out of these cavities as I go. Also, this this maple cap has me scared about the water getting into it. Like I've said before, I've never had a problem with that, but I sure don't want a problem with it either. I'm not putting much pressure on this at all. It's very lightly. And of course I start seeing the imperfections that will drive me crazy, but I'm going to ignore them. I'm not doing any more damage control on this thing. I'm going to get it done. I see some orange peel up through here and there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I may have to go back with 1,000 grit on that. I don't remember if I told you or not, this is just water with a couple drops of dish soap in that bottle. Yeah, when I put that pickguard template that I was making on this guitar, it covers up a lot of this guitar. Cause, you know, I had to make it wider on one side. I guess I could take it down a little on the other side, but then I laid in the control what do you call it? The control plate here for a regular Telecaster, and set up another pick guard, and I don't know, I think it just looks better that way, so I'm going to go with it. Of course, I'm still going to have to make the pick guard, but alright, I won't bore you guys anymore today with any of this stuff. I'll continue on with this. I may come back and make another video doing the sides. You do them all by hand, you're not going to be able to use a block on those. Alright, we'll come back. Y'all take care.